Facts about entities and spirit world with Suruchi Hirawat. So thank you so much. Officially, thank you so much, guys, for joining in. So when I say spirit world, so just wanted to know what made you so curious to join? Whichever language, I understand two languages, English and Hindi. Marwari itni achhe se aati nahi hai. So you can speak in this two language. I can say, and please feel free. Whatever comes, what made you join? I'm just curious. So we can just take and form it accordingly. I have lots to say, trust me. But it's not about me. It's about you. What would you like to hear about the spirit world?
Hi Suruchi, how are you?
Hi Jigar, I'm good. How are you?
I'm great.
Yeah, tell me.
So I left my company and yeah, that is all I have to say. And I'm so happy, I'm so relaxed now.
Great. So it's amazing. Great. So what about the spirit world would you like to know about? You're curious, or what is it with the spirit world? What capacity, like all of you who have joined, what capacities do you guys have with the spirit world that you're not willing to claim, own, and acknowledge? Let's dive in. So let's dive deep in. What capacities do you have with the spirit world that you're not willing to claim, own, and acknowledge because it's so out of fashion? Spirit से कौन बात करता है? पागल हूं मैं? Spirit से बात करूंगी? I'm mad if I speak to spirit. Have you lost your mind? You're talking to spirit. So all those thoughts, feelings, emotions, no thoughts, feelings, emotions, which holds you to even explore your capacity with entity. Can you destroy and clear out?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, all night shots, person names. There was one question somebody said before I take your questions. How can entity help us get money? Oh, nice, Veena. Are you Veena? Money and entity, it's my favorite topic because I love both. I love money and I love entity. So yes, it's a win-win situation. So when you said, how can they help you? So first of all, the biggest myth that somebody can help you. Can you just throw this out of the window? Nobody can help you if you're not willing to help yourself. Period. Can your brother help you if you're not willing to help yourself? Can your sister help you if you're not willing to help yourself? Can your employer help you if you're not willing to help yourself?
No.
No, right? The first thing is that you need to choose to create a life. But everywhere you are waiting for somebody to help you. Please sail me through. Everywhere you're waiting. It doesn't allow you to even move. Can you let go that weight over?
Right.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, can you let go that the conclusion that somebody outside of you is more powerful, more capable than you? Mm-hmm. And everywhere you're creating your life based on these lies, every area of your life. Can you destroy and create?
Yes.
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, Veena, if I invite you for a, say, dinner, okay? And I have a buffet of food. But if you're on a diet, can I really feed you?
No.
No, why?
I'm not willing to.
You're not willing to, right? So now when you say, can entity help me make money? What point of view you have about money, which will not even allow entities to contribute?
Okay.
See, nobody can contribute. Somebody has to unmute, so it's bouncing back. Nobody can contribute to you unless you're choosing to receive that contribution, right? But you were saying, hey, I'm so hungry, why people are not feeding me? Because you have a point of view, you are on a diet. Because you're on a point of view, I can't eat this and I can't have this. If I eat this, this will happen. So how many points of views you have about money, which doesn't allow you to have money, whether it's with or without entity?
Right.
Right? So nobody can contribute unless you're willing to receive that contribution. And to receive that contribution, first you have to see yourself as a contribution.
Right.
Right? If I'm good for nothing, I'm good for nothing. That is my point of view. Whatever happens, I will only come up with this. Even entities could not help him. I'm such a lost case. Even the person whom I thought was so powerful could not also help me.
Right.
So what point of view you need to work on for allowing even the spirit world to contribute to you?
Yes.
Yeah? It's a myth. It's a lie. Everywhere you only believe that only force can help you. and
Mhm.
everywhere inviting force to move you. Can you let go that need to create force in your life?
Yes.
And everywhere you're not willing to be that force for your own self.
Yeah.
Can you let go that reasons and justification, that conclusion that is holding that in place?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, what, all not sure, doesn't mean great. So entities will come and give you money. Are you willing to receive? Is my question, Veena. Truth.
Yes, totally.
Truth.
Yeah.
So what is the second thing? What will I have to do if I receive money from them? What will they take in favor from that? I have to pay something, right? Nothing comes for free.
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no? Truth?
Yeah, if they have a point of view, so.
No, if they have a point of view, no. See, again, I'm saying, what is your point of view? Because the thing is, you said entities. Entity can be your business. Entity can be people, because we're all entity, right? But we
Right.
are with bodies.
Right.
But where are you not willing to contribute yourself, that you're thinking that somebody else can contribute? And if you receive the contribution, what is the underlying fear that you have, which doesn't allow you to receive with ease?
Okay.
So I am just suggesting, ask yourself this question: whom have I given my power to?
Right.
And where have you decided that if you're a powerhouse people don't require contribution? So everybody, all of you are not willing to be a powerhouse because then you cannot receive contribution from anyone and everything. Can you destroy and create all those lies that is holding and guarding, which doesn't allow you to be the powerhouse you all truly be for eternity?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, what, does this clarify, Veena?
Yeah. Yeah, I gave awareness. Yeah.
Yeah, great. So what are the things about the entity world? What are your myths? What facts, what would you like to know about the spirit world? That till now you have not given yourself permission because you're so scared of the entity. Or if you're pretending to be scared of entities, let's put it this way. Yeah, Jugal.
So sometimes, it is not that we are scared, but sometimes I can sense things. Sometimes I can acknowledge that I can sense things. Or most of the time, it is that I'm avoiding.
You're avoiding, right?
Yes.
So how many people are you avoiding in your life?
A lot.
So if you avoid people, that is your go-to tool. So you'll avoid entities. This is how you operate from. So everywhere you're not willing to confront people, which doesn't allow you to confront entities also. So sometimes you're aware and sometimes you'll not be aware. So you see, that is the pattern. So you have to ask, what have I decided will happen, which doesn't allow me to be me? Everything.
I'm not in that space to confront people right now.
Okay, you will never be in that space to confront people. So all the coping mechanism of running away you're using, like you're running away from life, we'll never be in a position. So it's like you're saying, what I spoke about force. You're using force. You need to be forced to be in a situation. Why will you invite force when you can have ease? So all the coping mechanism you're using to run away from insanity so that you don't have to receive the insanity in and around you. Can you destroy and unclear all?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, what, see, you're believing like a child. If I close my eyes, then I will not see anything and nobody will be there. But the moment you open your eyes, things are just there.
Yeah, things are there.
Right? So stop closing your eyes. What will it take for you to be an adult of consciousness? Everywhere you're looking at a situation and trying to deal it like a child. What will it take? Tell you to like, hey, this is me. Okay, let's see what is the best I can do at this situation. Because every day we can only provide a certain best. And all days are not similar, right? Every day, the way you perceive entities or you be with entities will not be the same. So everywhere trying to have a standard formula of dealing with entities, can you let go all the standard formula derivation that all of you have kind of planned? That this is how I'm going to be with this person. This is what I'm going to say the entities. This is how I'm going to receive from the entities. Can you let go all of that mathematical calculation, equation, computation that you're using to live your life?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, what, see, do you meet your friends? Do you behave in the same way every day, or it's a different conversation? Sometimes different things, right? It's never the same. We don't
different.
even sleep in the same way. We think we are sleeping in the same way, but we don't know how many turns we take every night. We sleep in the same direction though, but we don't sleep in the same way, right? We don't do everything similar every day. So where have you stuck off? Everywhere, all of you are stuck. That you're going to deal with the entities in the similar way how you used to deal in the past, which doesn't allow you to tap into the knowing that you have currently now, and doesn't allow you to keep changing and growing with your awareness, with your knowing, with your being for now and all eternity. Right and wrong, good and bad, one cock, all none, shut doesn't mean how much you love your drama, Jigar. एक यही तो बच गया ड्रामा, ये भी ले लोगे तो फिर मेरे पास बचेगा क्या?
बचेगा क्या?
Right. What if you can start creating memories of ease, joy, fun, so much fun that there's no lack. So every day you're creating a life based on lack, which doesn't allow you to let go all your drama and trauma, because that's a treasure that you have built over a period of time. Can you just let it all go, melt it, let it go? देख भैया, मैं आधा अधूरा काम नहीं करती. ट्रुथ बोलेगा तो उठा के फेंक दूंगी, और नहीं करना तो बोलो नहीं करना. Then I will forward.
करना
Okay.
कर रहा हूँ.
देखते क्या होगा? मैंने कर दिया जो मुझे करना था. This is how you navigate people. You don't look. See, this is how we all do. So what power are you all refusing to be is the question, that you're thinking that somebody outside of you can fill that void in you. Nobody can fill that void, not even entity. So everywhere your myths is like, hey, if I work with entity, I'll be more powerful. No, you'll not be powerful. You'll also be scared of them because you feel they are powerful. Like how when we work with people, we have a point of view, they are more powerful than us. We behave like slaves. We behave like servants in front of them. So everywhere, if you don't claim your power, whoever you work with, whether it's entities' contribution or people's contribution, you are always going to play as the lowest denominator of you. And my question is, what's the value? I know everybody says no value, but you're doing it. So if you're doing it, there's a value. We don't do shit. Do you put, if like, we all know potty has no value. Do we bring potty home? No. But people for whom cow dung is a value, they put it in their house roof, right? Because it's a value for them, because it provides them cooling. So when you bring that kachara home, when you're bringing that point of view of being powerless home, there is a value which doesn't match the reality's value, but it has a value for you. That's the reason you're picking it up, living it, and creating your life based on it. There's nothing right and wrong about it. Like because we have AC, because we have air conditioning, we don't put cow dung in a house. People who stay in the village, they don't have everything. So they put it there. So it's valuable for them. It's not valuable for us. Is this right or wrong? No, it's just different. The same way, wherever you're feeling powerless, wherever you're making yourself small and making somebody superior, you have decided you don't have a choice there. You have decided that something is valuable. That's the reason you're maintaining and training that drama in your life. What is that? It is for you, not for me. So the same thing, it's like everywhere you decide that somebody can do something to you. That's the biggest fear. Like if I talk to the entity, they can do something to me. How many, like I feared being possessed by entity. That's the reason I was like staying away from it. Because as it is, I'm like such a drama queen. If I get possessed, I don't know how much more drama will I do in life. I was beaten as a child because I was doing drama and everybody thought that I possessed. So I got slapped. So I'm so fearful. And I was so fearful that entities, no way. I don't want to be slapped again, right? Jute se pitai hui thi yaar. It's a big deal. No way. So it's like, what have you desired? Everywhere you decided you'll be possessed or somebody can take. Like you'll have no choice. That's the whole thing, right? No. Unless you don't allow anybody to control you, nobody can control you. Not even entities. They are not powerful. But if you believe that they are powerful, like how you believe that my mother has more power, and then it's like, I can't, my mom said, no, I can't decide, I can't marry this guy. Because you have given somebody more power. You decided that somebody has power. Is it really true? No. So you're getting what I'm trying to put it across to your world. See, it's not about what you do in life. If you just acknowledge that wherever you're feeling pathetic is like because you gave somebody the power. Entities cannot do something to you. Entity cannot possess you. Entity cannot make money for you unless you choose to be and receive something. Like your employers cannot help you and contribute if you have a busy day unless you choose and ask, hey, I will not feel that I'm pathetic, but can I have contribution? But everywhere you're looking for contribution from a space of being pathetic, that is a space of being disappointed. That is where you'll feel disappointed because you've already decided you're pathetic. You already decided you're not good enough. You already decided you cannot achieve that. And that's the tone you have set for your life in that situation, in that scenario. So what about entity? I think we're talking about entity world, but nobody wants to ask entity world. We are going all around and around to get, yeah, entities are just like people. They'll be good, they'll be bad, they'll be ugly. If you fear people, you fear entity. Yes, Sonia, come on, raise your hand. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, thank you. So Suruchi, yeah, see, as you mentioned, you had this fear when you were growing up or whatever about entities. That is exactly with me. I see these entity things coming up on Access Consciousness and I don't want to be part of it. But because you were holding it, I'm today listening to it. There is a fear that I have. I don't want them in my world.
I manipulated you. So now you can ask those entities, can you please be more charming to me so I can talk to you? Like when I started and I was shit scared, but because it was a part of the curriculum and I was doing theta healing, I had to do. So I asked entities, I said, entities, listen, I'm very scared. And if you want me to contribute, come in colors. I'm not scared of colors, but I don't want to see you. I don't know if I have a heart attack, right? I was fearful of that. Possession, yes, scared like shock se mar jaungi. Okay. So I asked them to come in colors and then beautifully they came in colors. See, they have worked with you equally. Like if you want to work with somebody and they want to work, it's like we create, right? And if you have a fear, how about clearing those fears? The moment I cleared fear, now if entities come, they are scared of me. I am not scared of them.
But why would we need them? Why do we need them?
Why do you need your husband?
Support.
Okay, why do you need your son?
Love, creation.
Why do you need your friends?
Also support, like them.
Contributions.
Right?
Yeah.
So now you don't need them. It's not out of need. Need is a lie. You don't need your husband, you don't need your son, we don't need anyone. But we live in a world where we can be a contribution to each other. Okay. So it's like they can be a support to you and you can be a support to them, not based from need. Need is a lie. Need is like, oh, I can't do without you. Can't you do without your son? If he goes for 2 days, yes, you can definitely, you'll feel, what a relief, man. No work today. Right? You can do without your husband, less of tension, less of deciding what food he'll eat today. We can do without anyone. It's a lie that we say that we can't do. But it's like a contribution that we can be to a space, right? But because of what we have seen, because of what we have heard,
fear.
That creates a fear. It's like I used it in one of my every life recently. It's like, hey, if you don't need, like if you haven't met, right? You have heard stories about someone before you meet them, right? And when you meet them, you're trying to put, you're like, you know what? I was putting a face to you, but you don't actually look that way. And then you're like, I thought you'll be like this big, this small, or very obnoxious, or very sweet, right? Because we have a notion based on what people have projected, based on what the stories that you've heard or whatever, or the pictures that you have seen on Facebook, for example, right? But when you meet the person, you'll be like, you're so different. Your experience will be very different, right? The same thing is, entities are very different and everybody will have a very different experiences. So everywhere you're trying to see the entity world based on other people's lenses, whether you borrowed the lens from them, you've stolen the lens from them, or whatever you've done, Can you destroy and create all that lenses that you're seeing the entity world from? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all that, everywhere you're not willing to see it from what is your reality? Like how we spoke money, like somebody asked the question money. How everybody's reaction to money is different. Everybody's way of creating with money is different. Everybody's way of being with money is different. So is entity. It's also an energy, right? So if I have a bad experience with entity, I'll say, you know what, you stay away. You know what? They got me 1 lakh. They will give you 1 lakh. No, it was the other person's relationship. What is your relationship? You are not making your relationship with your husband based on her mother's point of view about her son. Are you creating a relationship based on that? That my son is so good. You'll be like, your son is pathetic. You have to ask me. No, right? You create your own based on your experiences. So everywhere you are looking at the entity world based on people's projections of what they are and what they are not, what they can do for you, what they cannot do for you. Can you not revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and pray at all times? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, online, and fear and excitement both have a same frequency. Are you fearful or at the same time excited to know about the unknown territory?
Fearful, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. It's confusing for me. See, because these entity talks that we have are more of inviting them in a positive manner. And then the clearings are stay away, stay away, stay away.
No, clearings are not stay away. Boss, a second, you're inviting your friend. Okay? She's obnoxious as hell, but you know how to deal with her? Or you will not invite her because she's obnoxious as hell.
Knowing me, I won't invite her.
Because you've decided you can't handle her. That's the reason you will not invite her. But the moment you know you have the tool, because if you mess with me, I'm going to throw you out. That means I'm powerful. But where the fear lies come from, where you feel you are not powerful. They are so powerful. Oh my God, she screams so much. I can't take it. You stay away from me. And so it's not about from need. It's about collaborating. It's about co-creating. Right? And I will co-create with my boss, even if it's obnoxious, but that requires, I will do it. I will not play low. I'll not play high. We'll work as a team. But when you say I'm scareful of entities, everything that comes falls under the definition of entity. What is entity? A name, right? You will not receive from them. And how much you want a charted life, Sonia, everywhere you all unwilling to travel an unknown path. Because you don't know what it is. Everywhere you want to a controlled life, a controlled situation, everything you want to control, which doesn't allow you to have the adventure of living. Can you let go of that? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, it's like an adventure, right? You don't know, but you know that you have everything that is required to course correct the situation. That will give you the permission to jump and just flow with things. But if you feel that, hey, I need to know everything to the T, you'll keep waiting because the T keeps increasing. Like how many times you had an idea and you wanted to do, but you're like, no, unless I don't get, then you're like, oh my God, something else is added to it. Now something else is added to it. You'll end up not doing it. And you land up being pathetic. So what is it?
Yes, you're right.
So it is nothing. It's like your ideas are also entity. Your business is an entity. Everything is an entity, right? But when you say no dogs allowed, even the sweet poodle is not allowed there, right? He's so cute. We can play, but he's not allowed because he comes under the category of dog, right? So when you say no entity, I don't have got nothing to do with entity, beings of light, angels, fairies, guardian angels, teammates, your business. Everything is like a no entry to them also, right? Because it says no entity.
So they can't harm you unless you allow them.
Nobody can harm you. Only you harm yourself. Nobody is harming you. It's a lie that somebody is harming me because I'm giving them a permission to harm me. Can I slap you? If you don't give me a permission, give me one direct slap. Next time I'll think twice before slapping you because I know I'll get one.
Correct.
Yeah. But if you say, oh my God, I'm so pathetic, and I'll be like, okay, keep slapping me, the person will slap you. See, entities are not different like people. Entities, the entities that we are speaking, that you're talking about, people who left their bodies, that entities.
Yes.
People don't change their color moment just because they leave their bodies. They'll have the same attribute. It's like just because if you have money doesn't make you nice or bad, right? Just because you don't have a body doesn't make you goody good. Like if you know my grandfather was an asshole and now he's died, now he needs, he'll still try to put his points of view across. He will still dictate me. He's not that all of a sudden he got enlightenment just because he left his body. No, that's the biggest lie.
It is because we don't value ourselves. We let people and the entities overpower us.
Yes, because you says, okay, I know you're telling me, but it's bullshit. Are you willing to tell bullshit to entities? You're saying, no, if I tell him bullshit, he'll take me for a ride. You fear. How much you don't ready to tell bullshit on people's face that, hey, you know what, you're talking all bullshit. Because you fear that they will control you. If you don't have the ability to say bullshit, then you invite bullshit. And I'm not going to clear you with this. It's your mess, not mine. Sorry, deal with it. So are you willing to walk away just like that on people like your mess, not my mess? So I'm not involving myself in. But how much are you have a judgment? Oh my God, how can I leave them with the mess? So all the messes that you're clearing from other people's universities doesn't allow you to claim your own power. Can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, what, purple, and every day you only feel powerful when you clear people's mess. So you'll invite entities to clear their mess so that you can feel powerful. It doesn't allow you to collaborate, co-create with them. Can you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, what, purple, it's all twisted. So
we are making it twisted.
Yeah, because it's fun. I will feel powerful. I cleared something that was so twisted. You know, it took me 10 hours. But finally, I made that puzzle. If you have made that puzzle in 5 minutes, does it have a value? No. It was so simple. I did nothing. You did. You created with so much simplicity that you didn't have to waste so much time.
How does it get me better?
Sonia, does it clarify?
Yes, yes. Now I need to.
And if you still have fear, join in the intro. If you don't want to do the beginning class where we are breaking all the fears with the intro class, it's a 2 hour class. That fear went out. My fear went out of the drain when I did my talk to the entity. So I can invite you to that. But at the same time, it's like you have to ask, how fearful are you with your own self? Because we fear ourselves. We don't fear anybody else. We fear ourselves. We fear our insanities.
Yeah. The unknown part of us.
Yeah. So when we are fearful, but what will happen with the unknown? Tell me one thing, if I leave you anywhere in the road, can you go back to your house, even if you don't know the route?
Hopefully, yes. I'll try. I'm bad with routes, but yes, I'll work on it.
If you don't go, you'll walk, you'll ask for a lift, you'll take a car.
Yeah.
You'll do anything, right? You will
Some way or the other. Yes.
You'll reach. The same thing is, what are you fearful? If you go to the unknown territory, you know how to go back to being you.
Okay.
If you have that in mind, you can go anywhere, deal with anything. But somewhere we believe that, oh my God, I will be lost. Lost is a lie. Can you lose yourself? Can you lose your awareness?
No.
It may take a little longer time, but you'll reach. And with that knowing, how many uncharted territories now can you give yourself permission to travel?
Much more than where I was before this talk.
Yeah. So this is what it is. Any other question, guys?
Thank you. Thank you,
Suruchi. Yeah, Hitan.
Hi, Suruchi.
Hi.
Yeah, so I am having this kind of, this kind of dark patches on my hands, okay, and somewhere, okay, on my cheeks as well, okay. So I was being in question, and I do get, okay, my body was sensing, okay, is sensing, okay, some presence of some entity. I communicated with it, okay, and I did the contribution, whatever was required, and still I was being in question, okay. So many things came up, okay, but the patches are still there. So what is it? Okay. And I would like to, have more clarity on it. And what can I do to change it?
All your oaths, vows, fearing, felting, binding, bonding, contract you have with any and all the entities across lifetime, space, dimension, reality who have cursed you or inflicted a pain to you, so that you're more aware next time. In every way you agreed, aligned, resisted, and reacted and bought it as real and true. Can you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and clear out?
Yeah.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, align, are you keeping those marks as a reminder?
I was not able to receive it completely. Can you please say it again?
All your oaths, vows, fearing, felting, binding, bonding, contract you have with any and all the entities across lifetime, space, dimension, reality who have cursed you or inflicted the pain on you, as a reminder to be more aware. In every way you agreed, aligned, resisted, and reacted and bought this as real and true. Will you now revoke, recant, reclaim, renounce, destroy, and clear out?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, online, short, how much are you using this marks as a motivation to not miss your clearing, communicating, and receiving from entity business? A little, a lot, or megatons?
Omega terms, yeah.
Can you let go that agenda, please?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, online, short. It's like similar. Like we don't let go the pain completely, go little, so that it keeps me a reminder that, oh, it'll remind me next time not to bend like this, not to do like this. So everywhere you're using this mark as a reminder that you have decided is necessarily. And everywhere you're doing this reminder out of fear, not out of love. Can you destroy and create it?
Yes, out of fear.
Because, oh my God, if I don't communicate, if I don't do, I'll get more marks in my body. Let these marks be there so that I can do it on a regular basis. It's not out of choice. It's come from a no choice universe.
Mm-hmm.
Do you take bath out of choice or no choice?
Both.
Both, right? Both. So now the same thing you're doing with the entity world, both things. Sometimes you're clearing out of choice. Sometimes you're clearing out of fear. Like how many times you take a bath that somebody will judge me that, oh my God, you're so sweaty and you've not taken a bath. So out of fear of judgment, right? We do it.
What I get is that, okay, not fear, but,
obligation?
Noise keeps on coming, which bothers me actually. And it makes me irritated. So, yeah.
So where are you not willing? So are you willing? Okay. Now in your personal life, get present. When people are annoying you and when you don't want to do, are you being that energy and says, get lost right now, when you do, come tomorrow? Or you do it because you feel others, they'll keep annoying you more and more?
No, I was that energy, but I have started being this energy, where I am, saying that, okay, it's okay kind of thing. Okay, jane do, ignore karo. Yeah, no. I have started saying that.
No ignoring. It's like, okay, I know, I see you. I'm not in a mood to clear you today. I'm too tired. Come tomorrow. But this energy, we don't be with people. We don't be in a certain relationship where we feel, oh my God, we are threatened by them, that they will do something or they will cut us out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not being that energy with my choreographer, actually. Yes.
Yeah. And the same energy, then you're not being with entity because you fear that they can do something to you. So you're not doing from a choice universe, you're dealing with them from a no choice universe. And that's the reason you're not willing to let go those marks. So that, and you're keeping it as a reminder. So can you let go all the reminder that you have logged into your body, which takes you from a choice from choice to no choice universe? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, and can they go? The marks?
Yes. Marks, please go.
Are you willing to let them go? Or you'll punish yourself more? Oh my God, see, I'm such a bad student. I didn't do it my bit, so I have to stay with it.
I am actually getting more.
So what do you love about it? Everywhere decided this will give you more power. Can you destroy it and create it all?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, and what drama, unfinished drama you still have with this marks which doesn't allow you to let go of it completely?
I wanted to sense, what entities are actually sensing. I wanted to sense them more. I wanted to feel them more, actually.
So now, the same thing, your ask is, I want to feel entities more, or I want to sense what they're feeling more. They're giving all the sensation on your body. Now feel it, enjoy your creation.
No, but enough.
Then you say, okay, I'm done with the creation. Please now leave. I like the way I like to create my life. So how many of you are creating your life with people around you because you always were so inquisitive? How people with a messy relationship looks like, how people with no money look like, how people who are possessed with entity look like, right?
Yeah, I wanted to understand that ये कैसा होता है? How do people get actually possessed by entity? ऐसे कैसे entity possess कर सकता है? You know, I mean,
बस ऐसे जैसे हाथ में possess किया ना, ऐसे possess करता है. Now enjoy. See?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Jonathan. So now can you let go the need to understand people, and can you now start creating your reality, not people's realities, so that you can figure them out?
Yeah.
You don't have to figure. Your job is not to figure out people. Your job is to live your life.
Yeah, exactly. Ease of communicating, actually.
But how can you have ease of communication unless you don't allow to feel that pain? I need to feel that pain, then I can communicate better with them.
Enough of that. I can do that without that.
No, you can't do it. You're a piece of shit.
I can do that. Interesting point of view. You have that point of view.
I don't have. You are proving, boss. You are creating. I am not creating. Okay. I created shit. I definitely created shit. I'm over. Now more powerful. They're scared of me. I'm not scared of them.
Yeah, so this shit is also done.
Are you willing to reverse the game now?
Yes.
Truth, are you willing to reverse the game now? So what you have to be that you're not willing to be, that if you give yourself permission to be, your entire life will change. As if by magic.
I just feel like shouting so much at the high.
Okay, you want to shout? After the call. After the call, you can scream. I am not interested. See, this is what it is. See, this is exactly what it is, right? You say what you desire to say, not what people expect you to say. I could have said, okay, please scream. I said, no, I'm not interested. Scream after the call, please. So where are you not willing to say and say, hey, it's my time, my boundary. I don't want you out of here.
I'll scream right away.
Whether it's entity or people.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So do you guys see? This is where your fear comes from. They got nothing because you're attaching more power and more significance to something that is not required. Great. Anybody? Last question.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Love you, Suruchi. Thank you.
Welcome. Anybody? Last question I can take if you have any questions. And if you don't have questions, then just play with this question as like, what is my reality with entity world that I'm not willing to claim, own, and acknowledge? And everywhere you're making entities more powerful than you, can you destroy and uncreate that? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all 9 shots. Great. Thank you so much for hopping on.
Thank you so much for your contributions.
Thank you. And if you would like to play deep down, yes, my class is starting tomorrow. If you just want to do an intro class, that's a 2-hour class, which you can do tomorrow, or you can do a complete Talk to the Entity beginning class, which is on 8 call sessions of 1.5 hours each, where we clear, communicate, receive from entities. The only requirement is you have had taken a bars class. That is a prerequisite. And for introduction, there is no prerequisite. It's only your willingness to show up. It's a 2-hour class. And prices is different for everything. Introduction, Indian price is 3,500 for a 2-hour intro class. And if you do a complete 2.5 hour, it is 67,000. And country pricing applies. This is an India pricing I'm telling you, because I don't really know what the country pricing is. 100%, 80%, that you have to figure it out. The only thing is when you do, why should one do the class is when you do, your awareness increases, you become more power, because you are dealing with something that the rest of the world doesn't desire to deal or scared of dealing. So it takes out that part and pieces of you that you are scared of. So And you get more of you, Raftula. You get more of you. You get to go to those places that you have not given yourself permission to explore. You just become more and more. Like for me, I feel it's more freedom. It's more me. It's like, it's just beautiful energy, uncharted territory where I can't lie to myself anymore that I'm scared. I can't lie to myself and says, I don't know. So that is the lie which will just goes out of the window. So yes, this is it. This is an invitation. If you would like to choose, please feel free, be my guest. If you don't like to choose, play with this question, be my guest. Either which ways, just be more of you. Yeah. So I mute Sarita. Yeah. So thank you guys. If there's anything, any question, comment you have, please unmute yourself and go.
What time is the intro class?
Intro is 12 to 2. Yeah, 12 to 2.
And what will we be briefly covering in that?
So intro class is just general, like we'll see the way the energy of the class goes. If it's a fear, we work around clearing all the fears and things like that. So it will be a 2-hour where the way the question goes, wherever it goes with the thing, we clear that wherever the blocks in receiving. So that is what we cover in the intro class. And then it's a journey of, after that we do the beginning, the whole manual. So this is what it is. And if you have friends, family, please contribute. In case anybody's looking for this class, please do share. And if you're choosing to do it again, please do hop in. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.